Okay guys, we are the laundry room. As you can see, pink. We have finished painting. I think there's trim gonna go around the top of that. But the light is in. I still gotta take the paint tape off. But it's all painted. The door's painted. Remember, it was an ugly brown. And it's all painted. Now he can do the floor. See, it's still echoey in here, but I don't mind the paint on my tile. I gotta get that up. But we finished in here and it came out pretty good. And I've just gotta finish the outside here. I still got some spots to do up above, and he can hang my door. So that is done. We are getting there. So I will be back when he gets the floor in. Okay, the next spot is the floor. So we're doing the floor, and he put most of it in, and he's just got to cut the cut pieces next. And it is looking really good. It is so pretty inside there. So I can't wait to get to the next step. All right, till then. Everybody, welcome back. Wanted to show you progress on the laundry room. I know it's been a little bit, but I got the door hung. The door is on. Let me go in and turn the light on. Excuse the mess. And the floor is grouted. We have to get sealer, put sealer on it, and then once that dries, we can, he's finishing up the plumbing, hopefully this weekend, and then I can get the washer and dryer in here. So that'll be nice. And I'll end up setting up one of those foldable tables for now to do laundry, fold laundry on. But for the most part, it's almost finished, guys. He's got a, my door likes to slide by itself. So he's got to align that a little bit. But for the most part, it looks really good. Let's back up so you can see. See, and it goes to there. There's the door. So the handle doesn't work. It's just for show, but you can open it up. And you open it up and it's not gonna stay there, but that's okay. But there we go, some progress. See, it likes to move by itself. That's fun. I got a ghost. No, he has to align it. I think he has to readjust the bar a little bit, but not a big deal. So anyway, that's my update on my laundry room. It's getting there. Hopefully by the end of January, it should be all done, but we'll see. We're getting there. And I will talk to y'all again soon. Bye now.